He said it clear as day. I told him to say, Grandma, come out. I was in the office.
Yeah.
The gate, he said, Grandma, out.
Yeah, he can say it when he wants to.
Can you say Grandma? Grandma? Can you say Grandma? Grandma? Say Grandma. Say thank you.
Big